The following message is transmitted at the request of the Wolf Fox Emergency Preparedness Agency, Memphis, Tennessee. This is a test. This is a test. The station is conducting a test of the new BLU Emergency Alert Code. The Wolf Fox Emergency Preparedness Agency has issued a statewide Tennessee Blue Alert for John Doe. John Doe is a white male, 7 inches tall, 125 pounds. If you have any information concerning Doe, please contact WFEP at 901-428-3692. Once again, this is a test. No blue alert is being issued. This is a test. This is a test. Test, 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 test. Do not redistribute.